$1,400 converter getting hit by $5 death wheel.
You rolling?
Yep.
So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for some more destruction of expensive parts. This is my $1,400 triple disc converter that I just got from Circle D 5 weeks after I ordered it, which was a little annoying, but whatever. So these converters are what I was running. One of them was in the transit, blew up. The other one's my buddy's. That one survived the hellacious burnout that I did earlier in the like 2 videos back. But anyway, they fit just fine, and the snout right here fits perfectly into the end of the crankshaft, which, where is that crankshaft? Oh, it's right there. I'll demonstrate. So, the snout fits into the end of the crankshaft, just like so, right? And see, it's nice and loose on this one. It fits in like it's meant to be there, right? Well, then we go over to this one. Mind you, this is the brand new $1,400 converter. Go on there. So there it finally like fit on there. It's extremely tight fit. Doesn't even want to come off. There we go. So, yeah. I already broke one converter bolt clean off because you're supposed to torque them to like 80 foot-pounds. I was figuring if I torque them down, it'll just like pull the converter in, right? No problem. Yeah, that didn't happen. So Harbor Freight really needs to put a longer cord on their grinders here, but anyway. Circle D is probably not going to want to warranty this one. For some reason.
One eternity later.
See if it fits any better now. It actually like slid on there a little bit better. There's probably a reason that this one is so tight, but you know, I'm just gonna conveniently ignore that.
Few inches later.
That was great for it. Probably won't, definitely won't blow up in my face now. Oh yeah. Looks like we're ready for installation, folks. Okay, where's that tube of grease that I had? I'm gonna lube up the shaft before I install it. What? It's not that funny. There we go.
Did you lube it up the first time?
No. Maybe I should have just done that. Hey, listen, when in doubt, a grinder and a hammer will fix most of your problems. And if that doesn't work, a torch will probably work. Words to live by. Just to such exacting specifications, because clearly
Did you just wipe all the grease off?
no, just a good layer on there.
Oh yeah, that looks really, really good.
Yeah, definitely didn't get into the face of the converter with the grinder at all. I like this like billet machined parts, like all nice looking, and then there's just grinder parts. Anyway, we'll get her going. Yeah, I literally broke a ARP converter bolt right off, just twisted it. So that's why we're doing all this.
Is this my cue to come help you?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh. Okay.
Actually, hang on. Boy. It's not slippery at all. It's not definitely not covered with ATF and all, you know. I didn't try to install this once already. In the least.
Push it good. Push it real good.
There we go. You think that's good?
I would say so. I mean, if it doesn't fit, just grind more off.
So a bit of serious tech advice: when you actually go to seat in a converter, you want to make sure that it's seated all the way in, because if you don't and you try to tighten it down, you will break something. For real. Don't ask me how I know. I do everything perfectly the first time.
Normally, I call your first time a third time, but that's just me.
What? No. What are you talking about?
I will die of laughter if you slam your hand up against the floorboard.
Nah. You won't die of laughter. You will die of me choking you to death. Oh wait, that's probably not appropriate humor.
I love how you say it's probably not appropriate.
Like there's a question.
Wait. Where would that be appropriate?
Well, it's probably not appropriate on YouTube where 12-year-olds are watching me install a converter that...
With their mom.
Yeah.
Mom,
What?
Their mom starts typing. Can't believe you said that.
I'm installing a converter. That's what it sounded like. Oh yeah.
Forget I said anything about installing anything with your mom.
Well, you know. Hey, what's up there, homeboy? How did I just forget his name?
Sean.
Sean! I haven't slept in a while. Sean, hey, where are you? Is he not in here? He's literally not in here.
Hey, Sean!
What the heck, bro? My friends are just deserting me. Okay, whatever.
We're so focused on this, he just left.
Did he actually? He's out there.
They're looking for you.
You just left? Why would you do that to me? I was
TikToks.
I was depending on your expertise. You mind getting me the light?
Hey, should we tell him about the, forgetting thing?
Huh?
The whole forgetting.
Nah.
Nah.
Did you forget?
I totally did not just forget your name right now.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I was like, hey, buddy.
You're like, I was like about ready to say your name, and he's like, how did I just forget his name? I was like, Sean. And he goes, hey, Sean.
Like, I didn't forget your name at all. You can go back to watching TikToks now. But probably don't do it in here. We're trying to film.
We're trying to be professional.
You guys can even say that with a straight face.
Yes. Very professional. Everything I do. Extremely professional.
Professional idiot.
Okay, Clayton. Clayton actually is a professional idiot.
Ooh, shots fired. Pew.
Meanwhile, I, on the other hand,
I'm a professional.
I'm a professional mechanic.
Ah.
Come on. Don't lie, dude. You've done this before. Or something similar.
Once or twice.
It's like you ever go to change brake pads and they like don't fit in the caliper? So you just take them over to the grinder, just grind them off a little bit and then...
I hate to say it, I've done that more times than I care to count.
Yeah.
Now I just know the part number for the wrong pad because I know I can grind it off and make it fit better than the ones that are supposed to be in there.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's MKD 9. Why am I thinking 962? It's like a Duralast part number.
Yeah, but what does it go in? Like, what's the...
Well, it was on my old... Shoot, that was forever ago. I forget what even it was. It was a car.
You owned a car?
Believe it or not.
So all you own is trucks.
Now, dude, my first car was a 2005 Dodge Neon SXT and it was an automatic.
My first car was a pickup truck.
Oh, listen here.
This pickup truck.
Listen here, frickin' Randy Hauser.
That wasn't Randy Hauser, was it? It was Joe Diffie. Pickup man. Keep your Chinese country music straight, son.
Jeez.
Oh, by the way, you can set my truck on fire and roll it down a hill. And,
You have full coverage?
yes, I do.
If I videotape it, am I allowed to post it on my channel?
No.
No. So literally, I can set your truck on fire, roll it down a hill, but I have to send you the video.
No, we're not sending anybody the video because that would be called insurance fraud.
Well, not if you didn't do it.
But if I authorize you to do it, consider insurance fraud.
Well, we can unofficially authorize me.
Hang on, let me get some more coverage on this thing. Real quick like. Hey, what you gonna do with the big fat tranny? Don't record. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
That's too much, man.
So that's...
I didn't even mean for that to be that funny.
The worst part is... Wait, nope, never mind.
What?
Oh, I was gonna say I've done that, but not like with an actual train. No, no, no.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep, that's all we got. Yep.
Not naked.
Let you get not naked?
My shirt was like up to my tits, man. Okay, just cut. Don't even put that in. Hey, I would like you to show the viewers.
The view?
Yeah, come over here. No, like, oh, you can't see nothing over there, dang old boy, I'll tell you what. You're not going to be able to see anything over here either. Can you see this? The converter?
Oh, the converter.
Yeah. Not my face.
Oh, I was looking at the beard.
See that? It dang old wasn't doing that before.
Does it wiggle?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Yep.
That's factory.
Mint. And that is how you fix stuff when it don't want to be fixed.
Either that or that's how you fix it if it ain't broken.
If it's not broken, break it some more. If it's not broken, what are you doing? Clearly, you have not sent it hard enough. Here we go.
The real magic is breaking it when you haven't even sent it yet.
It's breaking it while you're fixing it.
Yeah.
That's what Clayton does, I swear. Working with that guy, he breaks everything. If he tries to fix something, he breaks it even more every single time.